Parties in a massive Miles City sex abuse case involving a former athletic trainer met today for a formal hearing in Custer County Court. The issue is whether state law in place back in 1997 could prevent the Miles City Unified School District from being liable in the abuse of 32 former student athletes who say they were sexually abused at the hands of James Jensen. MTN's Andrea Lutz was in court just as things wrapped up just a few moments ago.
Some compelling testimony heard by both sides today in a hearing to determine two things: liability and negligence. However, the judge made no ruling today. Well, the question is whether the Miles City Unified School District was aware of abuse reported by James Jensen and whether a Montana state law in place at the time prevented them from having to report instances of abuse. Attorneys for the school district say the statute doesn't apply for that time. They say the law said abuse only had to be reported by a parent or guardian. However, attorneys for the 32 plaintiffs in the case say Montana law says otherwise and case law says otherwise. They say a public school district has an obligation to keep children safe. Well, now the judge will take what he heard here today, take a couple of weeks to think about it and make his ruling ahead of trial. In Custer County District Court, Andrea Lutz, MTN.